Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from HubSpot CRM data, export and archive marketing assets, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw data from HubSpot CRM, start by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the Contacts or Companies section, depending on which data you wish to export. Use the filters to refine your search and select specific records if needed. Once your desired records are displayed, look for the Actions button in the top right corner. Click on Actions, then choose Export. A pop-up window will appear, allowing you to select the file format for your export. Choose from options like CSV or Excel, based on your preference. Next, decide if you want to export all properties or only selected ones. After making your selection, click on the Export button to initiate the process. The export will be prepared, and you will receive an email notification when it's ready for download. Now, let's move on to archiving your marketing assets. Go to the Marketing section in the main dashboard. Select Files to access all your marketing assets. Identify the assets you wish to archive. You can use the search bar or browse through the folders for easier navigation. Once you've located the desired asset, select it by checking the box next to its name. Look for the More button at the top of the page. Click on More, then choose Archive. A confirmation dialog will pop up to confirm your choice. Click Confirm to finalize the archiving process. Your selected marketing assets will now be archived, making them easier to manage. To view archived assets, return to the Files section. Filter by Archived in the View options. You have successfully withdrawn data from HubSpot CRM and archived your marketing assets. This allows for a streamlined approach to managing important information. Following these steps will enhance your workflow and keep your HubSpot account organized. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.